At KNIME, our tagline is open for innovation, and our speaker coming up is from AWS, the cloud leader renowned for their innovation leadership. You've heard in the past from speakers at KNIME summits about the amazing things that they're doing with KNIME on AWS, companies like Siemens, Vanderbilt University, and Wave Life Sciences. Please welcome Madhu Raman from AWS. Madhu heads AWS's Intelligent Automation Solutions worldwide and has been a longtime KNIME fan. Madhu, I'm excited to talk to you today about some of the strategic initiatives we're working on together and the opportunity that this creates for the entire KNIME community. Thanks for taking the time today.
Hello, delighted to join you, Paul, for this event.
Wonderful. Great to have you. Let's dive straight in. We're here today to talk about a very special collaboration, Madhu. Why is our collaboration so exciting?
Paul, you are referring to intelligent automation solutions and how KNIME can address pain points for our industry customers on AWS. Intelligent automation solutions on AWS, these are workloads in the cloud that offer immediate cost reduction and a disproportionate increase in operational effectiveness for our customers without requiring root and branch replacement of existing software investments. These solutions typically merge artificial intelligence, machine learning, and business process automation technologies. These solutions are consumed by our industry customers across numerous industries. KNIME can help our customers with no-code and low-code portfolio assembly, and in particular, component enablement for intelligent automation industry solutions. There are 4 key industry customer pain points that KNIME on AWS addresses. The first pain point, which is particularly relevant during this current pandemic, is time to value. Getting business value from automation solutions requires time to develop and time to integrate with the business to test and deploy machine orchestrated support. Ability to rapidly integrate cloud and on-premise data sources for the build phase and simple drag and drop for deployment via KNIME server, these help accelerate results. The second pain point we continue to observe with our industry customers is regarding the code development needed for workflow integration. Business outcomes with AI/ML, IoT, and actionable notifications typically require enterprise workflow integration. For example, code development is needed for integrating AI services like Amazon Personalize and Amazon Translate with other infrastructure services and external data sources like RSS feeds. KNIME supports drag and drop and click development with some of the AWS AI services as well as core infrastructure services, and today enables low-code Python integration through the use of the Amazon Boto 3 SDK, which is available within KNIME on AWS. A third point is often the lack of ML expertise and data platform engineering resources to be carrying out the business initiatives. Highly in-demand resources, that is the expert data scientists and data platform engineers, these are needed to source, assess, and manage data ingest and transformation for intelligent automation, supported by AI/ML especially. And KNIME's support of quote-unquote components allows for these teams to reuse pre-built functionality. This enables non-experts to use expert techniques without needing to dive deeper. Finally, key pain point is in readying the workflows for deployment. Launching an automation solution in production requires security, scaling, and enterprise deployment support. Deploying secure workflows from KNIME Analytics to the KNIME server on AWS, it's just a simple drag and drop. A wide spectrum of deployment targets such as API-driven, web app, and guided analytics are supported as well. Back to you, Paul.
That's great. Thanks for setting the scene. I'm sure that many of our customers and partners are seeing some of these same challenges. So could you explain to our audience why KNIME is a great fit for what you're trying to do with customers?
We think KNIME is a valuable fit for our industry customers in their intelligent automation adoption journey. For example, areas like personalizing recommendations or sentiment analysis, but also analytic process automation. These are saturated with viable opportunities for intelligent automation, resulting in efficiency improvements, cost savings, and increased working capital. Using KNIME on AWS, Customers can develop and deploy intelligent automation solutions to drive actions to optimize business operations.
Excellent. And what a blast to collaborate with you guys on this. So could you please also share some thoughts on how customers will benefit from this collaboration?
Our broadest and deepest set of machine learning capabilities, accessible through KNIME on AWS through our marketplace, is a benefit for customers pursuing intelligent automation on AWS. The ability to ingest data from on-premise and cloud sources and execute machine-orchestrated workflows, this is very important for our customers. KNIME's extensive experience, right? KNIME's experience as a leader in this area, alongside your community of world-class systems integrators implementing KNIME, that is a key benefit for customers pursuing intelligent automation on AWS. Also, we observe that intelligent automation adoption will need to address training challenges. Customers can now benefit from KNIME comprehensive training and support in aiding efforts to build their own centers of excellence for intelligent automation and the solution portfolio building. We ourselves have created a learning path course for data scientists and data platform engineers featuring KNIME on AWS that is very popular with our industry customers.
That's great. I'm really excited to hear that. And I'm sure that our collaboration will help solve these issues for many customers. I think it's safe to say that there's a massive opportunity for the broader KNIME community here that's created by this collaboration. Can you share your thoughts on that as well?
Sure. 90% of what we build, that is driven by what customers tell us matters. And the other 10%, those are things we hear from customers that they may not articulate exactly what they want, but we try to read between the lines and invent on their behalf. Love that customers can now use KNIME executors for AWS, which provides workflow execution utilizing an AWS auto-scaling group, for example. This manages elastic scaling of KNIME executors to meet workload demands across availability zones. In the fullness of time, virtually every application will be infused with ML and AI. Most customers we work with are very interested in machine learning. And we have about twice as much machine learning being run on AWS than you'll find anywhere else. And yet, it's really early for most organizations. Love that KNIME on AWS continues to natively integrate key services, Amazon S3, DynamoDB, Redshift, as well as AI services like Amazon Comprehend, Translate, and Personalize. Other GA services are accessible now via the Amazon Boto 3 Python SDK, and we hope to see more of these services natively available from KNIME on AWS aligned with industry needs. Over the next 10 to 20 years, it's likely most companies' on-premise footprint will not be servers. Those will be virtually all be in the cloud. Their on-premise footprint will be connected devices. Billions of these connected devices will be in the home, in the office, in factories, ships, planes, cars, oil fields, and in agricultural fields. These sensors already are everywhere, and they're typically small with a small amount of CPU, a small amount of disk. This is why the cloud is disproportionately, it's very important to supplement those devices. One area it would be lovely to see grow is the incorporation of the AWS IoT services natively in your KNIME on AWS environment. Finally, Paul, I'm delighted with the recent white paper collection that introduced how the MLOps pipeline on AWS can be supported by KNIME on AWS. Back to you, Paul.
Yeah, that's great. And that's a great paper. I encourage folks to go out and check that out. With that, we actually have to end this session. Thanks so much for your time, Madhu. We invite anyone here to reach out to partners@knime.com if you'd like to take advantage of our free KNIME on AWS proof of value offer, which includes both a trial of KNIME Server as well as free AWS credits for use during your evaluation. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Paul. Excited with this collaboration with KNIME to help industry customers benefit from intelligent automation.
Thanks. Have a great day.